let's start cooking, guys. First, we have to put cooking oil, a little amount of cooking oil, put the garlic, then the onions, and mix it. And you will smell the aroma of garlic and onions. Then put the corned beef, then mix it. Beautiful. And pepper. Mix. After 5 minutes, guys, done. Saute cabbage with corned beef. This is 50 pesos recipe, guys. Guys, ito na. Luto na ang aking ginisang repolyo na may corned beef. Ayan. Para sa mga susunod ko pang video, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button dyan sa baba para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod ko pang video. Thank you for watching. Good day and bye-bye!